So today we'll be talking all about period cramps and period pain and how to get rid of them or how to reduce them. Hey guys, welcome back to Nicky at your Cervix. It's your girl Nicky here, and if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit my subscribe button, turn my post notification bell on so you can get an update every time I have a new release. And follow me on Instagram at Nicky _at _your Cervix for lots more interesting content. So, period cramps are basically caused by contraction of the uterus. So these contractions are triggered by changes in your body's hormone levels, particularly something we call prostaglandin. So when you menstruate, your uterus contracts and shreds its lining, which is released as blood through your vagina. So some people may experience period pain, particularly those who are younger than 30 years old. They bleed heavily during their period, they have irregular periods, or some people just have a family history of period pain. Others who smoke, as well as those who started puberty earlier than age 11, are more prone to getting period pain. So what can you do to help? So the first method I'm going to tell you is to use a heat patch. So using a heat patch or wrapped around your abdomen can help you relax the muscles of your uterus. So it is these muscles that cause the period cramps, and heating them can boost circulation to your abdomen that can reduce the pain. So what you can do is to get some heating pads. You can have electric heating pads as well as hot water bottles or just hot towel that you soak. Those are good choices if you're spending some time at home and you don't move around much. So it's not hot things, you're not burning or irritating your skin with hot water. It's just a warm compress around the area to help you with circulation. Another important one is to massage your tummy with essential oils. So lots of research has shown that some essential oils can ease the period cramps when massaged around the abdominal area, especially when you use a blend of oils. I'm going to give you some oils. So you can use lavender oil, sage oil, rose oil, cinnamon oil, or even clove oils. And you're going to use these oils with a carrier oil like coconut oil. So these carrier oils work safely by carrying these essential oil into the skin and help to spread the oil to a larger area. So you're going to drop some drops of your lavender oil or your sage oil or your clove oil into more coconut oil, and you massage this in the area in a circular motion, and this will help you to reduce some of the pain you're feeling. Another important thing we shouldn't undermine is the taking of painkillers. So over-the-counter painkillers can help reduce your period cramps and other period related pain like headaches. So while pretty much any types of pain meds can offer some relief, NSAIDs are what we call non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs are best for this. This is because NSAIDs relieves pain, it relieves inflammation, and they also relieves or reduces the number of prostaglandins made by your body and lessen their effect. And remember, we said prostaglandin is a hormone that is causing all of this contraction. So when we reduce that, we can help with that. And some NSAIDs can include ibuprofen, aspirin, and so on and so forth. But before you opt for a general medication, be sure to just consult with your doctor to find out which one works best for you. Another thing is to exercise. So according to a lot of studies, low to medium intensity exercise, aerobic exercise, may help reduce the pain you're having due to period cramp. You can just add an aerobic workout to your schedule and consider biking to work or going for a brisk walk at lunchtime, dancing to your favorite tune, or even playing a small low intensity sport that you enjoy can help you reduces the pain. Another thing is to soak in a hot tub. So soaking in a hot bath is another way that surrounds your abdominal and pelvic and back muscles with the warmth they need to relax. So you can enhance this by soaking in a few drops of the essential oil that I mentioned, the lavender, the sage, the rose oil, mixed with a carrier oil in your bath water. And you can also add some Epsom salt, which may also help to relieve the muscle pain in this bath. So just try to relax in a hot bath for about 15 minutes and get the most benefit from it. Another one is yoga. So a lot of studies suggest that yoga can be helpful in reducing these period cramps. So if you like to try yoga, look for a class with both physical component and a relaxation component, and the research showed that the combination is effective for reducing the pain that you have on your period. Another important one is to take supplements. So several studies suggest that different types of dietary supplements may reduce the period cramps. And so you can take supplements like calcium supplements, vitamin B6, B1, vitamin E, vitamin D, vitamin B12, and even fish oil. And so you can check those out to help you as well. Important thing to do is to avoid caffeine and salty food. So some food are better than others, and when it comes to improving or worsening your period pain. For instance, eating food that may help to inflammation include berries, fatty fish, avocado, extra virgin olive oil. So those are the ones that are to help you reduce the inflammation and reduce the pain you're feeling. It's also a good idea to avoid these foods because they can cause water retention, bloating, and discomfort, which may worsen your period cramps. So you're going to avoid salty food, caffeines, alcohol, and even fatty food. So reducing this is associated with a shorter, lighter period and reduced menstrual pain. Another important thing to do is to stay hydrated. So if you're dehydrated, abdominal cramps may feel more painful. So aim to drink 8-ounce glasses of water per day, and you'll need more if it's hot or if you've been exercising or if you just simply feel thirsty. Just stay hydrated. Another important one that a lot of people are trying to go through is acupressure. So this is basically a non-invasive approach that can provide relief from various pain, and it involves your fingers to apply a firm pressure to specific part of your body to help ease various symptoms. So various studies have shown that acupressure may reduce the severity and the duration of period pain. So according to all research, I'm going to tell you what they said. So rubbing circles on your calf or basically massaging the area above your ankle can relieve period pain. So you can just give it a try by following these steps. So measure 4 fingertips up from your inner ankle bone. So 4 fingertips, your index finger, your middle finger, your ring finger, your pinky finger. Measure the inside of your ankle bone, and you're going to firmly rub the area for several minutes, and you repeat daily as needed before and during your period. Another method is to consider birth control. So if home remedies aren't cutting it, consider talking to your healthcare professional about birth control methods. So birth control are often prescribed to help treat your painful periods, and they are known to decrease PMS, as well as mood stability as well. Another one is a TENS machine. So using the TENS machine may also relieve your period pain. So what is TENS? So it's short for transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, and this is basically uses low voltage electrical current to treat pain. So you can get portable tents to purchase so you can use it at home, and all you have to do is just attach some sticky electrode patches to your skin over the lower abdomen or your back where you feel the pain, and choose the intensity and the setting that feels best. And studies have shown that tens users experience a reduction in period pain and improved quality of life and took less pain medication for their period pain. And the last thing that I'm going to tell you to do today is to just communicate your feelings. So whether it be between your partner, your family, or whoever you're living with, or whoever, just communicate what you're going through and tell them what you need in that specific period of time. So do you need attention? You can discuss that as well. Do you want them to leave? You can also discuss that as well. So when you're feeling good, say for instance you're not on your menstruation or you're not on your period, you can discuss what you would like them to do when you are on your period and communicate these ideas. So in that specific time, they know what to do. So communication is also key as well. So what do you use for your period pain? Drop it in the comment section below, and don't forget to drop any questions you have as well, and don't forget to subscribe to Nicky at your cervix and follow me on Instagram at Nicky _at _your _cervix for lots more interesting content. Until next time, see you soon. Bye.